Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samiullah Inayat. I'm a sales executive in an electrical company. My question is, normally the media is influenced by the state. The media is controlled by the state, and especially in a Muslim country, I mean in the Middle East where the Arabs are there. So how now what I have heard in the talk is generally it was for the general public, but how the rulers of the state can improve the Muslim media in this level.
As I said in my talk, that the Muslims have got media, not that they don't have, but they are mainly concentrating on the Muslims themselves. In India, we have Urdu media read only by the Muslims. In Pakistan, Urdu media read by the Muslims. We have here Arabic media, Arabic channels are there, many, good and bad, many. But they're mainly focusing on the Arabs. That is fine. If the channel is good in Arabic, it should continue. I'm not saying it is wrong. If it's a good channel on the lines of the Sharia, like Majid channel, etc., they're good channels. That is not sufficient. What I'm telling, you should have a media in the language which is the international language, so that you can change the view of the international people. You can change the view of the world. Only by telling that Muslims are good among the Arabs, where most of them are Muslims, it's not something great. We should have a media in the language which is the international language. So my request is that fine, you may be ruler of an Arab country, but why don't you launch an English Islamic channel which propagates the true teaching of Islam, and it is shown throughout the world. In America, in Europe, in Australia, in Middle East, in Asia, why not? So that we can change the view and at the same time convey the message of Islam which is further than every Muslim.